a round video of Łódź fabrycyzna. How do you enter? Where do you enter from?
You open the door. Straight. Yeah. So you just go down.
You just go down. Wow, if you are going to K11, that's if you know where you are going. But if you don't know, yeah. Oh, that's what we should have taken that day. That we are not carrying load on the staircase.
Like when you come on back to I didn't trek.
Please, everybody, if you are coming, take note. Oh, you have elevator that just take you straight out. When we came,
you just come out like this and you go
we
to
have to
that
like
side.
carry our load through the staircase. So stressful. So there's the station.
Let's say someone will call him.
Let's
Just
go.
come outside and I think you're very cool.
We are in the station. So when you enter the building, we are going down. So when we come with our load, this was the kind of thing that they had in Istanbul.
Like I remember
I was watching one video like that. Maybe that guy doesn't know that the thing brings out edges. The fellow with his KFC that he bought. So I'm but I don't even know how to drag you.
I don't like this one at all. That's my one. I like it.
This one, right? That one I will use in manufacture. That one is still like better. Even our box, when we bring it now, we have to just place it on top. Wow. Okay, that should be the tickets stand. It's not even full, like it's not. Dzień dobry. Proszę, bilety od Łódź do Katowice.
Łódź do Katowic. Kiedy to ma być? Dzisiaj?
No, nie. Jutro.
Jutro do Katowic? O której?
Szóstej.
O 6 rano?
Tak. 6 o'clock.
And the morning.
Let's just see the one they have.
Wow, this one is interesting. The way they built this place, like as if maybe like there's a building behind. Departure. Wait, the day we came, where did we pass?
I can't even remember.
But I don't think. Did we enter through this place? No, we didn't come through this way. Maybe the underground. We didn't come through this way.
I know that we went through a great staircase. I had to like go to that
Yeah, staircase. Want to check out the old place where this thing is. So we are on Perron 2. Oh yes, I remember the last time we came, we dropped there at the other side. So we'll carry our load and be going from one Perron to another. Wow. Huge fabric. This now sector, this sector E. Why are we now going to know the train that wants to enter like this? But this one is having the L, like the LDW.
Wait, let me come and bring out the tickets.
Pociąg Interregio do stacji Warszawa Centralna przez stacje Łódź, Koluszki, Rogów, Skierniewice, Radka, Żratów, Grodzisk Mazowiecki, Warszawa Zachodnia pojedzie z toru pierwszego przy peronie drugim.
The one going to Warsaw.
Centralna przez stacje Łódź, Koluszki, Rogów, Skierniewice, Radka, Żratów, Grodzisk Mazowiecki.
See, it seems if we take this lift, this is where to bring us to.
Yeah.
Or what do you think?
Does it work?
We should try it.
Let's just find out. Then we'll use the lift to go on.
But which floor? I think it seems that one should be like ground. We should not go and get lost. But this place is really cold. Did they put track to there? If now you this thing, don't let breeze blow it. If the train should come like this. The train is coming, so we can hear the sound from here. I mean, let's move back. Like the sound is always. Please don't let wind blow this ticket from here.
So when we come here, I think it's this track.
It should be.
Oh, it's even here that it's coming.
Wow. Where is it coming from? Okay, that's the Chesto over. There's another train, so if we want to go to Katowice, we could also take to that Chesto over. Son of this one.
This is the track.
They put track to there.
Yeah, you know, say from the board, from that place from Fabrycyzna to Vision. From Fabrycyzna to Vision now. It's track 2. From that board we saw the
Up there.
So and I thought if you wait small you see something like Vision there.
Yeah, you know Vijev is also here. You can pass it to Warsaw. They will pass there to Warsaw. They also put it in this other. But the thing I'm looking at is that we have L. This L that have this thing.
Maybe tomorrow this thing will change.
Maybe
Because I think he's taking with the train that is going by that particular time. I think this is the number of the train. So probably by that tomorrow we'll see this LKA.
Probably.
Hey, it's not before.
Thank God that we'll even come to get the train here. But this is the port of 7. I don't know. Hope it's not that it's supposed. What's OF? Hope it's not like. I don't know. I can't see anything like. It does
Like
not.
number 7.
I don't even understand. And even sit. Yeah. See, it also has here. Check this. You can see. They can pass it to like Katowice. Yeah. But this one, it seems this way we are going because this is like the last distance. So from here we'll take Katowice like that.
It's alright. But I think the train will be here. It should be here when we get.
Is this lift working?
Yeah,
But all these ones are waiting like this. This is where we two will sit down.
train park. So if we come, we should see a train.
Yeah, we
by
should
that
see.
particular
We should.
time.
Yeah, we should come very early so that we can see. This is another L too. So that my this thing is wrong. That my assumption is wrong.
All of them is L. Then the
L.
L was.
Our own is like L.
The L is huge.
Oh, tak.
Then the number of
We can also pass here, sir. But let's go and enter our lift, though. So that we'll know if lift, if lift can help us carry, it's better
yeah,
than.
let's check this
People
one
should not be
first.
looking at us like which village are these people from?
Ah, that's your business. They not tourist con. Step tourist con.
You know, that day that we came through also, we went to pass through the elevator instead of passing through the
The
lift. You know, we could have just put our load in the lift.
Yeah, we
It will take
went
us
to
down.
here, we
We
went
will not
to here.
start passing
Yeah.
load through the elevator. Ah, Oluwa.
So let's see the highest number.